Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix DNS server isn't responding problem. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Select Connected Adapter Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses: 208.67, 222, 222, 208.67, 220, 220. Click OK. Click Close. Click Close. Disconnect and reconnect your network. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.